Hi everybody, I'm here and I'm really pleased to announce that the new behaviour change course and motivational interviewing behaviour change workshop is now available in collaboration with FutureFit Training Limited. It's taken over 10 months, kind of hard work, research and so on to get to this point, but we've now got new software in place. All the latest behaviour change models from a psychological point of view are included in the new e-learning. And most importantly, within the e-learning now, we've included all the psychometric testing. So this means you can now psychometrically test a client to see if they're ready to change. And within the e-learning, not only do we provide you with all the psychometric tests, but I go through how you would complete them with a client, how you would score them, and how you would then interpret them. These are really useful if you're going to start work with a client for weight management, because they can measure the client's readiness to change, and there are certain kind of cut-off points that I will talk about. And this work is all based on my PhD research, so you know it's coming from an evidence-based background. The other real bonus with the psychometric testing is you can use it as a retention tool and as a progress tool. So you can measure your clients on a regular interval, so every 4 or 5 weeks, and check that psychologically they're moving in the right direction. Most importantly, if they're not moving, or maybe if they're even slipping backwards, this will give you a heads up and so allow you to intervene and help the client move forward, so as you don't end up losing the client. So they're very good in terms of preventing client relapse, because you can kind of get in there, so your client retention should improve if you're using psychometric testing. One of the other big advantages of understanding all the theory behind behaviour change and having the psychometric testing available is that your ability to help a client make a lifestyle change should really improve. Now, following on from the e-learning, I'm now doing the Motivational Interviewing Behaviour Change workshop. This kind of fills in the gaps, because if you've psychometrically tested a client and you've measured them as being ambivalent about change, in other words, they're kind of sitting on the fence, they can see some of the pros, but they can equally see some of the cons. Motivational interviewing is designed to help that ambivalent client move forward and make progress towards a behaviour change. So it's a very valuable tool for a trainer, because now they can pretty much take on any client and work with them and achieve good lifestyle behaviour changes. The other big thing that you'll get from the motivational interviewing workshop, which I'm going to teach all of them, so you will get access to me for the day. The big thing that you'll also get is it'll improve your communication skills, the way you listen to clients, the way you interact with clients. And that's a real big bonus right across the board, no matter what kind of project or whatever thing you're working with your clients is. Good communication skills are crucial to long-term success. So hopefully this workshop will prove invaluable. The other thing that I will provide with the workshop is a closed Facebook group, so you can carry on learning, interact with fellow students, and hopefully in the long term I will use this as a source as we can start assessments as to your motivational interviewing skills. So really exciting time, really looking forward to seeing some of you on the courses. And that's it for now. Keep an eye out on my website for further announcements, www.stagesofchange.co.uk, and look at blogs and so on there if you want to understand more about what's going on in terms of psychology and behaviour change. Look forward to meeting some of you in the future. Cheers for now. Bye.